Good afternoon, students. In the last video we created a plane, two-dimensional plane in SketchUp Make. Now in this video we have to make the 3D model of this stage layout. Okay, so how we can make this model? So click on this is push or pull tool. So by push or pull tool we have to make first pillar. Okay, so here I am extending the pillar. First we have to zoom in, slightly pan. Okay, zoom in and okay, then click on push and pull tool, and here we make the pillar. Now pan to the other side. Here we also choose the push or pull tool to make the pillar, and now for the fourth corner here is also click and extend to push or pull tool. Okay, now slightly zoom out and pan. Okay, so here now for the stage use push and pull tool to extend them. Okay, now we are having our stage, rough stage. Okay, now we have to add the border of the stage. So let pan it on overhead and click on the rectangle tool and start making the border. Okay, and from the offset tool, this is the offset tool, click on this, and this is the from this offset tool we have to make the border of the layout. Now making the stairs. Okay, slightly let have the middle of this is the middle we have gone to draw the stairs. Choose the rectangle and slightly zoom in. Okay, so here we have to make the first stair and second stair. Okay, and from the slightly and from the push and pull tool, choose the push and pull tool to extend first below stair, and then this. Okay, this is the slightly. Okay, we have now created the stairs of. Now in this video we have to make this one stage and stair and the pillar. Okay, now understand the usage of camera button. Now this is the orbit. Here we have to see the all 360-degree view of the stage. Okay, this is pan hand tool. We have to move like this. Okay, ups and downs, right and left. Okay, this is zoom in. If you use the scroll button, scroll wheel of the mouse, you can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so understand the usage of camera button, it is very useful while making the any sketch or 3D model of the stage. Okay, so yeah, this is for the video. Hope you like this video, and um, make sure do practice in your home, in your computer. Okay, I'm sure you download the SketchUp Make and start practicing it. Okay, so this is up for the video. Thank you for watching this video. And one more thing, log into your Nguru app, and those who not given the school assessment, please go and do the school assessment. Okay, uh, it is very important. So log into your account and Nguru.
Till now, we have made steady progress in designing the stage layout for our annual day function.
Yes, Saira, we have created planes for the stage layout. Now we need to turn it into a three-dimensional layout.
Also, we need to add stairs and pillars to the stage, and we can put placeholders for the podium and chairs to display our arrangements.
Let's get started then.
You have already created planes for the stage layout. To turn your stage into a three-dimensional model, you need to create walls and pillars for the stage, create the podium, add stairs and other decoration objects. So far, you have created the planes for the stage layout. This basic layout that you have made is a two-dimensional representation of your stage. When you add a third dimension to your layout, say height or depth, the object becomes three-dimensional or 3D. The 3D layout gives a much more presentable and realistic image of an object than a 2D image. Now, you need to build a three-dimensional model from the layout. To start, open the stage layout.skp file. To make the existing 2D stage layout three-dimensional, you need to create walls and pillars for the stage. To create pillars and walls, select the Push or Pull tool on the toolbar. Move the cursor to the surface that you have created for the first pillar. The area is highlighted with dots. Drag the cursor upwards to draw the pillars. Select the surface area of the second pillar. Use the Push or Pull tool to create this pillar. Repeat these steps for the other two pillars. Now, move the cursor to the surface of the stage floor and drag it upwards. You will notice that the stage layout has turned into a three-dimensional model. A stage often has markings for the performers to take positions or to mark the performance area. You can use the Offset tool to draw these markings on the stage. Offset means drawing a copy of the figure that is bigger or smaller than the original. To draw the markings using the Offset tool, draw a rectangle on the stage using the Rectangle tool. Click the Offset tool. Place the cursor on the edge of the rectangle. Drag it inwards to draw another rectangle. You can drag the cursor outwards as well. The screen displays the skills and concepts you have learned in this session. Your stage layout is ready with walls and pillars. Now you need to add stairs to your stage layout. The line tool helps you to draw the stairs. To draw the stairs using the line tool, select the line tool. Draw a line from the edge of the side of the stage. The line joining two corners is called an edge. SketchUp Make tells you that you are drawing a line on the face of the model. Each 2D surface of a 3D object is called a face. Draw two more connected lines to complete the rectangle. Then draw one more rectangle above it. Select the Push or Pull tool. Pull the two stair surfaces to complete the stairs. You can use the camera tool to see how your stage looks from any side. First, save a copy of your layout. If you end up with a view that you don't like or want, you will always have the original saved layout to fall back on. Click View Toolbars to open the Toolbars dialog box. When you click the camera checkbox, the camera toolbar opens. By default, the camera toolbar is docked below the standard toolbar. Besides the options in the toolbars, there are many options available in the camera menu. You can use the Orbit tool to rotate your stage layout to view and add details to any side of the stage. Now add stairs to the front of the stage using the Line tool. Use the Zoom tool to get a bigger area for drawing. To use the Zoom tool, click the zoom icon on the camera toolbar. Drag the cursor outwards to zoom into the layout. Use the Line tool and the Push or Pull tool to add the stairs. Select the Zoom tool and drag the cursor inwards to its previous position. The Pan tool is used to move the model horizontally and vertically. If you want to add details, such as seating arrangements in front of your stage, you can use this tool. For example, right now Your stage is not at the center of the software screen. Use the pan option or its icon to move the layout. You can select the pan tool by using the H key on the keyboard.